Just got out of Treasure Island. We were down about $25. End up hitting on another buffalo right at the end, up 110 over here. What is up, JT Squad? We are in the new apartment. Last night was the first night sleeping in the new crib. It was all right. Look at my bed. The bed frame I got did not work out. I don't know what happened with it, but this mattress is on the floor. Brand new mattress, brand new blankets, pillows, everything like that. I just need to get a box spring or something. We had to buy a floor lamp. Everybody said those are bad. But it's all right, at least we got into the new place. We'll just piece all of our stuff together. I'm gonna get my TVs and everything like that. We gotta get the cable company to come hook up some cable here. But for the most part, we're in the place. That's exciting. And we're gonna do some fun stuff tonight. JT Saturday Slot Challenge, playing Buffalo Gold. Grab the stuff from storage that we need, a couple TVs and whatnot. We'll get the other stuff at a later time. Headed back home, then we're gonna find something to eat. We are headed to the cannery. Mom's excited. Got some stuff moved in. We need to head over there. We do Saturday Slot Challenge tonight. Torchy is on the channel member that we picked out of the hat, so cross your fingers. Torchy and us win a little bit of cash tonight on Buffalo Gold. $100, $240 a spin, 42 spins I do believe, somewhere around there. But let's go get it.
Was quite a day at the cannery in North Las Vegas, with not one but two incidents making headlines.
Just got out of the cannery. That shit was terrible. We lost like $300 and some in that motherfucker. It's like, oh my god, really? But I guess we'll head to Treasure Island and lose no money. We're gonna win. And that was bad, huh, Mom? Yeah. We won like 500 one time here, so we put 3/4 up back. But oh well, what do you do? But we're gonna head to the strip, I think, and we're gonna grab something to eat too, probably when we get there, because we haven't eaten anything. Well, we had a slice of pizza earlier, but that ain't lasted too long. Yep, let's go. Let's check it out. Back at Del Taco again. Cheap food, tastes pretty good. Slow as hell. All the Del Tacos we've ever been to, they are super slow. I don't know why, but it's like $7 for a meal. So we're gonna eat this, eat it in the car, then we're gonna head to the strip. Treasure Island. We were down about $25. End up hitting on another buffalo right at the end, up 110 over here. So we were down 340 at Cannery, came up here, and we're only down 230 right now. We're gonna head towards the link to do JT Saturday Slot Challenge. To the link, that was a fucking nightmare, man. Down like 170, 180, somewhere around there. Now we're gonna hit up Harris and play a little blackjack in here, and that's pretty much the end of that. We made it back home. Gambling completely sucked tonight. The slot challenge, lost like 40 bucks on that. So I think we ended up losing like 370 for the, or 360 for the night, for the whole day. It was terrible. But that's all right. That's how gambling goes. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but you live. You live to fight another day. Anyways, thank you guys for watching all my videos, man. You guys are amazing. Thank you for joining in on the live streams. We're gonna start doing schedules. And mom is yelling in the background for the cat at all times. But anyways, much love to you guys, and we will see you next time later.